The South Korean company Hyundai Rotem has showcased the capabilities of its K2 Black Panther main battle tank, offering it to the Romanian armed forces as a replacement for Soviet-era tanks. The demonstration, conducted at the military training range near Galați, highlighted the mobility and firepower of the K2 Black Panther tank. According to local media reports, the Romanian Ministry of National Defense plans to acquire new main battle tanks for up to 6 battalions, totaling more than 300 tanks. Bucharest is seeking new vehicles to replace the aging TR-85 and T-55 tanks. Hyundai Rotem's proposal includes the transfer of technology and collaboration with the local industry. This cooperation could involve the partial participation of the Romanian defense industry in the production, maintenance, and lifecycle service of the tanks. However, the specific details of the South Korean offer have not been publicly disclosed. In a related development, the U.S. State Department approved the sale of 54 M1A2 SEPV-3 main battle tanks, along with related vehicles and equipment, to Romania in November 2023. The estimated value of this deal is $2.5 billion United States dollars, and the Romanian Ministry of National Defense is currently negotiating the contract details.